Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Jocus Farm. I was doing some editing for our seed starting on the tomatoes, and I realized that the file got corrupted. So I'm doing a short video on what is not going to be there. So this is several days later, and yes, I'm finally getting it edited. So the way we started our seeds in the video was, okay, we just get a seed variety of tomato. We're just going to be doing the Jube cherry as an example, because that's what I had out. And I just take a napkin or a paper towel. This is from some fast food restaurant or something. So anything that's absorbent will work. And I'm not going to start a whole lot just because I've already got so many going now. I really don't have room for these, but I'll figure it out. I'll just take a few seeds here. I got 5. And I'll put them in the paper towel that's moist. Not dripping wet, but damp, so that it can start the germination process. And I just fold it a couple of times, and then this will make more sense. There's just some of the bags that I'm going to recycle from when we did do it. But we'll take it, the paper towel or the napkin with the seeds in it, and put it in a bag, and this will keep the moisture from dissipating too quickly, where it won't have a chance to do the work that it needs to. And there you have it, and we'll continue on. Alright, now that we have our seeds in the paper towel or in the napkin, damp, in the bag, labeled, we're going to put them into a shoebox, or like one of these little Sterilite tubs here. Usually called a shoebox. And I'm just going to put these bags in here. Now they're all labeled. I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. That's only 2 varieties, of course, that I showed you. So we still have plenty of work to get done. I can't wait to show you guys when we have germination, and then we can kind of talk about germination rate on some of the older seeds and just how quickly they come along. Today's the 24th, so can't wait and see what happens the 27th. I'll see you guys later. It's Farmer Jeremiah. Have a good day. Okay, now we got all the seeds in the bag in our chamber here in our grow room, and we're going to be putting, oh, here, let me show you first. Those are all the little baggies labeled with the seeds inside, and we wind up giving them a extra spray whenever we put them in the baggie, give them some extra moisture. And we're going to put them in a dark area, preferably. I usually use a drawer. And then we'll check on them probably every day for me, because I like checking on stuff all the time. And that's where they'll stay until we put them in one of these guys. These are peppers, but we're not doing a video on that. Tomatoes! See ya.